Welcome to science class. Today we are going to talk about motion and measurement of distance. We all know when can an object be called to be in motion. So if we talk about motion, it's nothing but change with time of the position or orientation of a body. What is motion? It's a change with time of the position or orientation of a body. At one position an object is, suppose you are standing over here, and with the change of time, as the time passes after 2 minutes, if you are found over here, that means you were in motion. Or your hand's position is like this, after few seconds your hand is found over here relating to this position, and the change of time, if your hand is found over here, that means you are in motion. This is called body orientation. So then only you can say that the object or you are in motion. Okay, but in this chapter we are going to talk about different transportation. So first let's begin with the story of transportation. Long ago people did not have any means of transport. In ancient time, the vehicles which you can see, the modes of transportation which you can see, now they were not present during that time. They used to move only on foot and carry goods on their back, either on their back, or when they found that they can make use of animals for carrying the load, they took help of them. Later on they began to use animals for transportation. Then for transport through water, as long as people were traveling through land route, they took help of animals. But when they wanted to transport through water routes, they used boats. Before the boats were invented, they used to make raft-like structure, like they used to join bamboo stems together and a flat surface was made, and sitting on that they traveled from one place to another, and then gradually the structure of boat came into existence. So to begin with, boats were simple logs of wood in which a hollow cavity could be made, and later people learned to put together different pieces of wood and give shapes to the boats. पहले क्या होता था, मैंने जैसे बताया कि वो एक फ्लैट सरफेस बैम्बू स्टिक्स को जोड़ के, बैम्बू स्टेम्स को जोड़ के एक फ्लैट सरफेस बनाते थे और फिर उसके ऊपर ट्रैवल करते थे. फिर उनको लगा कि फ्लैट सरफेस इज़ लिटिल बिट रिस्की, अगर वेट बढ़ जाता है तो वो डूबने का डर रहता है. तो फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, दे टुक अ बिग लॉग ऑफ वुड, फिर उसके अंदर से पल्प वुड को निकाल दिया, एक हॉलो कैविटी, खड्डा सा बनाया, हॉलो कैविटी, एंड देन उसको यूज़ करने के लिए, ट्रैवल करने के लिए यूज़ करना शुरू किया. देन एज द टाइम पास्ड दे joined or assembled different pieces of wood and formed a boat-like structure to travel through water route. So इस तरह से they started inventing things as per their need. Then came invention of wheel, because carrying luggage or transporting using the animals, they found it little bit slow and it was not enough to satisfy their needs. So invention of the wheel made a great change in modes of transport. The design of the wheel was improved over thousands of years, and animals were used to pull carts that moved on wheels. पहले लोग एनिमल के ऊपर बोझा डाल देते थे और फिर उनको यूज़ करते थे to carry their loads. Even they used to sit on them and travel from one place to another. But then they invented wheels. और फिर हजारों साल लग गए उसके अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट लाने में. And then they started using animals for pulling the carts, and these carts were carrying heavy loads. So until the beginning of 19th century, people still depended on animals, boats and ships to transport them from one place to another. The invention of steam engine led to the development of new means of transport. Railroads were made for steam engines driven carriages and wagons. बड़े बड़े वेसल्स सामान से लदे हुए उनको खींचने के लिए स्टीम इंजन यूज़ किया जाता था. और स्टीम इंजन में स्टीम डेवलप करने के लिए, क्रिएट करने के लिए टन्स ऑफ वुड और कोल्स वेर बीइंग बर्न, ताकि बॉयलर में पानी बॉयल हो, स्टीम क्रिएट हो और वो स्टीम यूज़ हो इंजन को रन करने के लिए. और दिस इज़ हाउ द speedy means of transport came into existence. Later came automobiles such as motor cars, trucks and buses. Then motorized boats and ships were used as means of transport on water. पहले boats and ships sailed on water with the help of sail. फिर बाद में मोटर इन्वेंट होने के बाद motor boats and motor ships were used. Then in early years of 1900 saw the development of aeroplanes, and these were later improved to carry passengers and goods. Electric trains, monorails, supersonic aeroplanes and spacecraft were some of the contribution of 20th centuries. This is the journey of transportation, right from nil, from zero to a lot, from the feet of animals to the wheels of the machine. How wide is the desk? Up till now we were talking about transportation. Now we'll talk about the distance, measurement. Okay, let's see which is also related to motion. 10.2, how wide is this desk?